Introducing the 2008 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz prioritized handling and performance with features such as front and rear reading lights, a power seat, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.